Your hard-earned money is sitting in a digital wallet 1 second, and then it is just gone, without a single explanation or a way to get it back. That is the nightmare scenario playing out for people trying this new productivity platform that promised to solve every single research problem you have. You see the ads, you see the slick interface, and you think this is finally the tool that will build your slides and write your documents while you sleep. But the reality lurking behind the curtain is far messier than the marketing team wants you to believe. We are looking at a situation where the promises of advanced research agents and automated workflows are being overshadowed by a wave of frustrated users shouting into a void. When you look at the major review sites, the scores are absolutely bottom of the barrel. We are talking about ratings that barely crawl above a 1-star average. People are reporting that their credits, the very currency they paid for, simply vanish into thin air. You log in expecting to get some work done, but your balance is at zero. Then you try to reach out to support. You send an email. You wait. You send another. Nothing but silence. It is like being ghosted by a company that already has your credit card on file. This is not just a few isolated glitches. This is a systemic pattern that has hit the forums and the comment sections hard. The core idea is actually quite brilliant. A workspace where digital agents handle the heavy lifting of gathering data and formatting presentations. On paper, it is the holy grail of efficiency, but a tool is only as good as the trust you can place in it. Right now, that trust is broken for a lot of early adopters who feel like they have been caught in a subscription trap. Some users mention that auto-renewals are kicking in even after they thought they canceled. This is the dark side of the current tech boom, where companies rush to market with a flashy product before they have a functional support system or a stable billing engine. If you are sitting there thinking about clicking that subscribe button, you need to pause. Think about the risk. If a company ignores your refund request, you are left with no recourse but to call your bank. That is a massive headache that no productivity gain can justify. You should definitely stick to the free version first. Test every single corner of the platform before you let them near your wallet. Read the horror stories on the community boards. See the patterns for yourself. Some people claim the tool works fine for them. But is it worth the gamble when so many others are losing money? The software world is moving fast. And sometimes, it moves so fast that it leaves the customer behind. You do not want to be the person paying for a ghost service that does not value your time or your budget. Be skeptical, be careful, and most importantly, do not let the hype blind you to the very real red flags waving right in front of your face. This platform might eventually find its footing, but right now, it feels like a house of cards waiting for the next billing cycle to collapse. Keep your eyes open, and keep your money in your pocket until they prove they can actually support the people who are paying their bills. Do not let the promise of automation lead you into a financial trap that is impossible to escape, because once that money leaves your account, it might never come back. Efficiency is great, but it should not come at the cost of your peace of mind or your bank balance. So take a step back and look at the evidence before you dive in.